Look at her! Snow baby. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. How are you guys doing? We are doing good, staying inside. We literally have a blizzard here in Pennsylvania and it's seriously coming down. I'm gonna show you in a second what's going on outside. Look at this. Fluffy. Kids are outside right now and they're really having fun, but it's very cold and a lot of snow is going down. Lots of it. By the way, this is our second day snowing almost non-stop, and we're supposed to get more snow tomorrow, so we'll see how much snow we'll get in total. With all this snow and with all this white fluffiness, I really want to go full force into Valentine's Day and really have fun with this balloon garland. I will be working with white, pinks, and reds and a whole bunch of foiled balloons. I will link and list everything in the description under the video. And without any further ado, let's go. But first, we need to take care of this. Let's switch this up. To inflate our balloons, I am using my electric balloon pump like usual to inflate all of my balloons. And let's go through all of the balloons that I will be using today. I am using 17-inch white balloons from BSA. Then I am working with a whole bunch of 5-inch balloons, Qualitix, Pearl Magenta, Pearl Pink, and white 5-inch. Also, I have 11-inch white balloons from Qualitix and Tuftix 11-inch pink, and a whole bunch of foiled and fun-looking balloons. As I said in the beginning of this video, everything will be linked and listed in the description under this video. So I am grabbing 2 balloons and inflating them into different sizes like this. Now the next step is absolutely and totally up to you. If you like more rounded balloons, then press your balloons against the floor to give your balloons more rounder shape. As I said, it's totally up to you. Some people don't mind more elongated look of balloons. This is just what I prefer. And then tie these 2 balloons together into a pair. And basically that's it. Pink balloons. I only have 11-inch balloons, but my white balloons, I also have 17-inch balloons. So I will be mixing my 11-inch white balloons with 17-inch white balloons to give my balloon garland more variety of sizes of balloons. I am working with one color at a time. I am not mixing all the colors together. I went to color black like usual. So right now, let's go inflate our balloons and I will show you what I will be doing next. I have enough pairs of pink balloons. Now I need to cluster them. I am grabbing 2 different sizes pair of balloons and interlining them together. Grabbing another 3rd pair, adding, interlining everything nice and tight together. And 4th, last pair, and adding on. And again, interlining everything nice and tight to make sure none of your pairs of balloons will pop out of your cluster in both places. All right, and here you have a cluster. Keep on clustering. With lips, I want to inflate them individually and tie them individually using my balloon tying tool. These balloons stink too. Anyways, let's inflate a few of them. To inflate my foil balloons, I will be using my hand pump. There's a reason for it. Every single self-sealing balloon, they have this plastic insert in them and it's very thin. If you will be trying to inflate your self-sealing balloons with electric balloon pump, that force of air and warm air can damage the plastic insert, and that insert won't hold the air in your foiled balloon, self-sealing balloons in your balloon, and balloon will start to deflate. This is what I've noticed. 90% of my balloons that I inflated with my electric balloon pump would deflate on me. Switch to a hand pump, 90% of balloons stayed with me, no deflation. Try it out, let me know if that worked for you. Time to construct my balloon garland. I am constructing this balloon garland with the necks of balloons from my clusters. So I am reaching in and grabbing the stretchiest, the longest neck that I can find in my cluster. Doing the same thing with my second cluster, grabbing those necks and tying them together. This technique will involve some of the finger strength. First, I wasn't used to it and my fingers were getting tired super fast, but you'll get used to it. And this is how it will look like when you'll tie both of the necks together and your starting of your balloon garland is nice and tight. Keep on tying your clusters together until you'll be happy with the length of your balloon garland. I attached my balloon garland, I decided to switch out my fabric on this beautiful rosette fabric. I will link hopefully exactly the same thing, if not something similar, in the description under this video. Now let's go attach this balloon garland. I will be using safety pins that I will pin to my fabric. Then I will grab fishing line and tie my balloon garland with fishing line straight to that pinned safety pin. Alright, so to build up my balloon garland, I am using rubber bands. I am taking a rubber band, looping over one of the balloons or two balloons in my cluster, just like this. And now I have this loop that I can loop over any of the balloons in my balloon garland. So let's go build up the bottom and build up the top for sure. By the way, you can absolutely use 260s or use necks of balloons from your clusters to tie extra clusters to your balloon garland, whatever works for you. I did made some of quads and some of the smaller size clusters. This is a quad with 4 different sizes of balloons. I used 11-inch, I used 5-inch balloon. Here I have a smaller cluster with 3 pairs of balloons intertwined together. I used 11-inch and added some 5-inch balloons as well. Here's another variation. This is another quad. This is a pair of 11-inch balloons and 5-inch balloons. So I will be using these to fill in spaces and give my balloon garland more variety and more dimension and more detail. So let's go. Let's work. I see 2 main spots on my balloon garland that I really don't like, and it's very and extremely simple, and it's looking flat. So for example, this spot over here, I only attached this cluster of balloons and the rest is the base of my balloon garland. So I am taking these little quads of and little clusters of balloons that I made, and I am giving this balloon garland more detail, kind of measuring and looking at what is looking the best on this spot, and then using my rubber bands and attaching that perfect cluster or quad on that spot. I filled the spot with the cluster and I like it so much better. Now here is what I want to try here. I want to grab all of my foiled balloons, all of my accent balloons, and fill in spaces and put them exactly where I want them to go, and then grab my extra clusters and quads of balloons that I made in white and in 5-inch balloons, and fill in spaces afterwards, because sometimes you can overpack your balloon garland with latex balloons and it won't have enough space to place foiled balloons. So I think that's what I want to do. Let's go fill in spaces with foiled balloons, and we'll give more detail with extra clusters and quads. For my lips, I am taking a 260 balloon, and I am starting to wrap that 260 in this neck of my foil balloon all the way to the bottom. Then when you reach the very bottom, you tie a knot with your 260s. Just like that. Now I am going straight to my balloon garland and tying these 260s to my base. Attach this love balloon with glue dashes. I glued this foil balloon straight to my latex balloons. It holds fine. Now we'll see if it's going to fall or stay. As you know, foiled balloons, they're not really best friends with glue dashes or glue dots, because foiled balloons are extremely smooth and they don't have that grip that they can grip to glue dashes or glue dots and stay attached for a long time. Hopefully that's going to hold this love balloon for a while. This is what I have for you guys today, a very Valentine's Day inspired balloon garland. Absolutely love the colors and unique touches in this balloon garland, like lip balloons, different varieties of foiled balloons, and a touch of flowers. I bought my flowers at Hobby Lobby and I simply press them between balloons and they hold pretty well. I love going to buy flowers at Hobby Lobby because seems like they always have 50% off of your artificial flowers, and I like that. Also like how love balloon is placed on a balloon garland, and not your typical placement, but looks very good. I didn't count how many balloons I used for this balloon garland. I was inflating and adding balloons until I was happy with the final result. I attached my pointed star balloons with glue dashes, and hopefully they will stay there for a while. Last second, I added 2 strips of LED lights right across of my setup to give more color and more brightness, and it looks beautiful. Love it so much. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under this video, and I hope you enjoyed this setup. This is it. This is what I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful and hopefully inspiring. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You guys, your thumbs up, they do really help. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will try my best to help you out. Also, if you're new here, you guys don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos and great ideas. And I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye.